Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing how I made my raspberry extract. I wanted to give a few of the benefits of raspberry. They're very low in calories. They're high in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other antioxidants that you need for your body. And they are really healthy, and I decided to make an extract. Now the first one that I made before, I used some leaves that I had. This time I used actual raspberries. So when I made this, I don't have a clip for that. I used a pack of raspberries, and I basically fill the rest of the jar up with some vodka. I want to say it's 80 proof that I normally use. So again, I did not show that step, but I let that sit for, I think I had it sitting for probably about 6 to 8 weeks. Now some of the things I use a strainer. I have some cups here. I don't have a funnel with me right now, but you can use a funnel. I actually have some cheesecloth back there. If you like, you can use that. I use a lot of alcohol to sanitize the bottles and anything that I use for my projects. Now I have two different bottles that I'm going to use. The clear one, you can find those at the local Dollar Tree. I think they're in a pack. And the bottles you can always order like from Amazon or somewhere. But anyway, after I sanitize everything, I just go ahead and pour and strain what I have left over. Now you see the little raspberry seed. That's the reason why I strained it, because I really didn't want that inside of my extract when I take it. So again, I used this cup because it was a little bit easier to pour. Now what I like to do is leave a little bit there for so it doesn't spill over, and I can comfortably put the top in. And here I'm going to do one more of them right here. This is a wonderful antioxidant that I take daily, and it's really great and powerful for women health. Yeah, it's taking me a while because I'm just putting little drips in there, make sure I don't overfill it because it's a mess picking it up. Anyway, so that's that bottle, and as you can see, it's red just like that right there. What I decided to do is go ahead and do the same thing with a clear bottle. And then normally I let those sit a little longer when I add the well, clean it with alcohol, but these are all for me. So again, I go ahead and pour it inside there. And I thought this one was a little different because you can like pop the little top up and kind of squeeze it in. But anyway, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button. I'll see you next time.